Today in this video, we're going to take a look at the best smoke leak detector. For your decision to ensure you get the best value for your needs, promotion smart technology for smoother visuals and more responsive touch. We'll compare the best smoke leak detector for smoother visuals and more responsive touch on the market and list their features and prices. Link in description box below. A smoke leak detector is an essential tool for diagnosing leaks in vehicles, particularly in engines, exhaust systems, and fuel lines. These devices use smoke to identify leaks quickly and efficiently, saving time and ensuring accurate repairs. When shopping for a smoke leak detector, consider the following factors to make an informed choice. Choose a smoke leak detector that suits your needs. Some are designed for general automotive diagnostics, while others specialize in specific systems like evaporative emission control systems. Look for features like adjustable smoke output, built-in air compressors, and compatibility with multiple types of fluids. A high-quality smoke detector should be made from durable materials to withstand frequent use. Units with a sturdy metal casing are often more reliable than plastic ones. Opt for a device with simple controls and clear instructions. Compact, lightweight designs with convenient handles make handling and storage easier. Many smoke leak detectors come with accessories such as adapters, hoses, and cones. Check for models that include these extras to maximize value. Additionally, ensure the device uses non-toxic, easy-to-refill smoke fluids. While price matters, prioritize reputable brands with positive customer reviews. Reliable manufacturers often offer warranties, ensuring peace of mind. Investing in a high-quality smoke leak detector enhances diagnostic precision and efficiency, making it an indispensable tool for mechanics and DIY enthusiasts alike. Thanks for watching the video.